Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and Map apps installed by Google Play Store. Map apps very important for every people. Different types of location, unknown place, unknown number track. Use these apps, but media and video location track not allow showing. Many people complain, but this video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Your mobile phone setting icon search and click. When setting icon search and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now search option types apps and search. Few seconds wait. Already showing manage apps option and click manage apps. Mobile phone all apps showing this page. We need map apps, type map apps and showing maps apps icon and click as permission option showing and click. File and media not allow file and media. Already your problem is solved. Thank you watching my video.